Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch is powered and your iPhone is ready. This avoids interruptions during pairing. First, charge the Apple Watch Se2 to a usable level, then unlock your iPhone and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to allow discovery. Open the watch app, tap Start Pairing, and point your iPhone camera at the watch animation to link devices quickly. Once paired, follow on-screen prompts to sign in with your Apple ID, which lets apps and health data sync securely between devices. You now configure core settings so the watch fits your daily routine and protects your data. Begin by creating a passcode and enabling wrist detection and emergency SOS. These secure your watch and allow health features to work. Next, choose a watch face and add complications for one-tap access to weather, workouts, or wallet. This saves time. Install the apps you use most via the watch app and customize notifications so only important alerts buzz you. Make sure health and activity are permitted to sync. You finish by syncing content and validating core functions so the watch is reliable when you need it. Sync music, podcasts, and wallet cards, then test Apple Pay, calls, and messages to confirm connectivity. Start a short workout to verify heart rate, GPS, and activity tracking are recording correctly. This exposes any sensor or permission issues. If something goes wrong, restart both devices first, then unpair and repair only if needed. If problems persist, update Watch OS and check settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.